How to add link to Brevo email. So first go to your Brevo account and then just click on campaigns here at the top left. Okay, now once you're here, you can just open up one of your campaigns, or if you want, you can just create a new campaign. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to just open up one of my campaigns. Just click on it, and then you can just click on edit design. Now here, in order for you to add a link, let's just choose which text you're going to add a link to. So for example, I'm going to add a link to, let's say I'm going to add new text here. Okay, let's add it here at the top so you can just see it how I'm going to add a link. So let's say I'm going to type in here, this is my link, okay? And this is my text. Now here, you just click on the link, highlight it, and then you can see this icon here. It says add link. So just click on this icon, and then you can just choose the type of link here that you want to use, and then just choose or type in your link target. So let's say I'm going to add youtube.com, and then the link title is let's just name it YouTube, and then click on insert. Okay, now as you can see here, it became a hyperlink. Okay, now if you want to test if this works, you can just click on the link or just click on preview, and then you can see here. Okay, just click on it, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.